I'll be explaining what Shopify LTV is. And if you haven't heard the acronym LTV before, it stands for lifetime value. In terms of what it means, it's a metric that measures the total revenue a customer generates for your business during their entire relationship with your store. The easiest way to explain this is with an example. So if a customer spends $50 every month for 2 years, their CLV, or customer lifetime value, is $50 times 24 months, so it's about $1,200 in total. This is important because it allows you to understand the true value of each customer. And from there, you can really understand how much you can actually spend to acquire a customer. And lifetime value fits into the 3 ways you can grow an e-commerce store. The first one's to increase the frequency of purchase, the second one's to increase the average order value, and the third one is to increase the number of customers you have. So lifetime value will encompass the first 2 of average order value and frequency of purchase. And it's basically one of those metrics that the higher your lifetime value is, the better. As if your customer maybe spends $200 with you over their lifetime, that's going to be way more beneficial than if they only spend $50, as acquiring new customers can be expensive. So the more you can get them to purchase from you, the cheaper your acquisition costs are going to be. And this is something I really struggled with when I first started my Shopify store. It was all about getting new customers. It was so easy to go onto Facebook, generate some ads, and get new people to buy one time. But over time, this is going to increase as you're going to saturate the audience you were targeting in the first place. And if instead I had focused on increasing my LTV, I could have really increased my profitability. In terms of ways to improve your lifetime value, there's strategies such as creating tailored loyalty programs and referrals. So the Shopify App Store has quite a few apps that make it easy to do this. One of the best ways is to optimize the pricing and product offerings. And it basically means create a really good experience. You don't want to focus on just selling the customer right away. You want to make sure that the shipping is good, the product packaging is good, and most importantly, that the product does what it says it's going to do. That tends to be a big problem for dropshipping stores, is that you can't control the experience or the product quality. And if a customer doesn't like the product because it's not as advertised, or the shipping takes a month or 2, that's not going to be as good of an experience, and it's going to make it very unlikely they're going to come back and purchase from your store again. You also want to make sure you're providing top-notch customer support, as if customers can get quick and easy answers to their questions, it's going to provide a better experience, which is going to increase the likelihood that they're going to come back and purchase from your store. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much profit your store is actually making. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time profit calculations, along with tons of different analytics, metrics, and charts so you can truly understand your store's performance. It also includes a lifetime value calculation, so you can get that extremely quickly. And having all this information at your fingertips is going to make it super easy for you to make smarter business decisions, as you'll have a true understanding of your store's performance, rather than try to guess everything and hoping for the best. There's a 15-day free trial, so you can test drive everything for yourself. I'll leave a link in the description below for Profit Calc. And if you search Profit Calc on the Shopify App Store, you can see the logo right here. So this concludes the video on what is Shopify lifetime value. If you enjoyed it, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.